1,123 cases have been reported in the last 24 hours.
As we are in the COVID-19 era, whether it's sanitizers, temperature checks, social distancing within the exam hall. But even then, many parents have been concerned about.
The court has said that the government has no control over the situation, or there's a lack of control.
38,000 plus colleges in India are affected by COVID-19. 37 million plus students in those colleges are trying to cope up with online studies. Virtual Labs is a one-stop solution to online laboratory education, enabling personalized learning while being cost-effective and highly scalable. Phases of VLab. The pilot phase wherein the project's feasibility was investigated in terms of the usefulness, timeliness, implementation cost, and the anticipated challenges. In the second phase of the project, the primary focus was to reach out to potential users and address the issues. The third phase of the Virtual Labs project was focused on formulating a methodology for developing and evaluating new lab experiments. The development involves 6 rounds of reviews, namely Round 0 to Round 5, before deploying to the community portal. Round 0, it consists of a brief overview of the virtual lab and should contain broad objectives. One has to mention the experiments that will be covered in the proposed lab. Round 1, each experiment of a lab needs to have separate documentation describing the focus area and learning objective. Round 2 includes story, storyboard, and the mind map. The story contains all the information about an experiment. Round 3. This round involves content and simulation development for all the proposed experiments. Round 4 focuses on content development and hosting of the lab on the beta portal. Contents about every experiment are put in the framework template. Round 5. The lab contents are sent to the central hosting team via GitHub. Considering the lack of standard safety measures in academic laboratories and students being naive and enthusiastic, platforms like Virtual Labs serve as a perfect middle ground. Currently, the virtual labs have been developed by various institutes in accordance to the syllabus across different universities. Environmental Engineering Lab deals with the testing of water for its physical, chemical, and bacteriological properties. These experiments are explained in virtual labs using simulations that contain animations of the procedure. Simulation has been well accepted by students and faculty members with positive feedback, error-free, easy to understand, student-friendly, comprehensive, and professional.